name is Tiffany, and I live in the United States of America.
My name is Teacher Suzanne.
25 years. Long time, isn't it? Anyway.
Hi, friends. I am Teacher Crystal. I have been teaching English as...
I'm originally from Boston, Massachusetts, in the United States.
Is Teacher Emmeline. It's so nice to meet you. I have been teaching English online for over 2 years. Hello, how are you?
Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, good.
Oh, it doesn't work.
Oh. Good. And
I'm
what is
very
your
nervous.
name? You're nervous? That's okay. Everybody is nervous at first.
This is my first time.
Everybody is nervous their first time. I promise. It's normal.
What
Where
did
do
you
you
say?
live? Where do you live?
I live in Korea, Seoul.
Okay. Very nice. Very good. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, how old are you?
I'm 34.
Okay. Very good. I'm 33. Very close.
Great.
You have a lot of books on your bookshelf.
Oh, yeah, right. Almost my kids' books.
Okay, that's what that is. Very good. How many kids do you have? How many children?
I have 2 children, 2 daughters.
2 daughters?
Yeah.
Very good. And how old are they?
One is 4 and almost 3.
Okay, so they're still young.
Yeah, right.
I also have 2 children. I have 2 boys.
What are they doing now?
My husband is with them.
Oh, okay.
They're downstairs. My husband has
Oh, great.
What
My girls are sleeping.
They're in bed. Oh, good.
And husband too.
He's sleeping too?
Yes.
He was tired.
Yes, right.
Yeah. What do you do for work?
I had been teach. I'm an elementary school teacher, and I had taught students.
Yeah.
For 5 years, and now I don't quit my job. And what I don't know what it called, the time to take care, the time caring my children.
Sure.
What I don't know what it called.
Do you stay home with them now?
Yeah, right.
Here with your children?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Very good. So you taught for 5 years, and then when you had your children,
yeah,
is that when you stopped teaching?
Yes, right.
Good.
And then
Very
I go back to school after my kids grow up.
Yes. And you will go back to teaching?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you like teaching?
Yes, I really like teaching.
Oh, good. That's so good. So why are you on Cambly? Why do you want to improve your English?
I like English first. I want to teach English my students, and I want to give them a mind that I can do this too.
Yeah.
First, I want to improve my English skills, and then I want to show them you can do too.
Very good. I like that. So you want to improve so you can teach your children. Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
What grade did you teach?
6.
Oh, wow. Okay. So a lot.
And every subject.
Oh, okay. Every subject. I did the same thing. So when I had my boys, I stopped working. And now I just do Cambly only like maybe 8 or 10 hours a week. And that's all I do. And then I'm with them for the rest of the day.
여기서 잠깐. 제가 영어를 꼭 해야겠다고 마음먹은 계기가 이 선생님이 말씀하신 것과 관련이 있어요. 나중에 기회가 되면 더 자세히 말하고 싶지만 간단히 말하면 영어를 할 수 있다는 것만으로도 삶에 유용하게 쓰이는 아주 좋은 도구가 하나 생기는 것이더라고요.
Actually, I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
Sentences that I made. do you know shadowing? Watch movie and
Okay.
repeat the sentences.
Sure.
Do you know Caillou?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I like the story, and I studied using Caillou.
That works. Hey, whatever works, right?
I made the sentences using Caillou's mother's. Please notice me. What is the wrong point?
Sure, I will tell you. Okay.
I
I like that you did that.
Thank you. First, she is my daughter. She started out thinking her mother, me, didn't love her anymore.
Oh, well, that's sad. She is my daughter. She started thinking that I didn't love her anymore.
Okay, there's maybe 5 sentences more.
Okay.
Yeyoung, my daughter's name. Yeyoung thought if she was big enough to get dressed by herself, she was big enough to go to grandma's house alone.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, that was good.
And let's tell Yeyan, my second daughter, let's tell Yeyan the monsters aren't scary because they're just make-believe.
Yeah, good. Let's say the monsters aren't scary because they're make-believe. Yeah, good.
I thought I made many sentences, but there's no sentences
There's no more.
anymore. There's no more.
That's okay. Those were good. I like that you did that.
Thank you.
So you learned that from the movie Caillou, the show,
Yeah.
and then that's very good. So you watch it in English. That's very good. It worked well. You wrote good sentences.
Actually, I've watched the videos, animations with my kids. So maybe she can hear English better than me.
Yeah. The younger, if they start very young, then it's a lot easier. Well, I think if you keep practicing together, it will be really good for both of you. Your daughter, the one that is learning English, she's 4, you said?
Yeah.
What kinds of things do you do during the day with your daughters? Do you guys go out places?
We go to the playground or reading some books and watch the videos to improve our English.
Very good.
And we're drawing like that.
Yeah. Very good. I like it. Did that happen a lot when you were a teacher?
Uh-huh.
When you were teaching in the classroom, did you catch a cold a lot from students?
Oh no, I didn't.
No? Oh, that's good. All right, we have about 30 seconds left. Do you have any questions for me?
I want to ask you many things, but I have bad English skills and
It's okay. Keep practicing. Just keep practicing.
Okay.
You're doing great. Write down your questions for next time.
Okay.
All right.
I'll do.
It was so nice to meet you.
Me too.
Have a good night.
See you next time. Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
화상영어를 한다고 영어가 잘 늘지는 않겠다는 생각을 하게 된 시간이었어요. 왜냐면 내 안에 들어있는 문장이 없잖아요. 단어가 없고 문장이 없고 말을 해본 경험이 중요한 게 아니라 엄마한테 말을 계속 듣듯이 모국어를 아이들이 듣고 또 듣고 또 듣고 반복을 한 다음에야 말이 팍 터지잖아요. 그런 것처럼 영어 인풋 자체가 많이 없기 때문에 특히 이해 가능한 인풋이 내가 완벽하게 이해 가능해서 말로도 뱉어볼 수 있는 인풋 자체가 많이 없기 때문에 뭘 물어봐도 대답을 하고 싶은데 생각이 안 나. 그러니까 문장의 수준이 너무 낮아지고 스스로 답답하고 이 시간에 계속 할 수 있는 게 자기소개밖에 없겠다는 생각이 들었어요. 아니면은 아까 했던 것처럼 내가 문장을 만들고 피드백을 받고 그런 식으로 해야 뭘 좀 얻어갈 수 있는 게 있지. 그게 아니면은 계속 이 사람이 질문하는 거에서 네, 아니요, 아, 좋아요, 맞아요, 막 이런 얘기밖에 못하는 그런 수준 낮은 대화 그거를 이어나갈 것 같아서 역시 30분 체험 수업이나 해볼 걸 괜히 한 달 끊어가지고 이 고생을 하는구나 싶습니다. 근데 그래도 이 수업을 통해서 깨달은 게 있다면 문장 만들기를, 그러니까 그동안은 저희 아이들이 많이 아팠어가지고 감기에 걸려서 한 2주 정도를 계속 가정보육을 했어요. 그래서 공부를 못했는데 이제 좀 나았으니까 열심히 공부를 저도 다시 해서 문장을 많이 만들어보고 피드백을 받거나 그런 류의 수업을 해야지 될 것 같아요. 저 나름의 커리큘럼을 스스로 준비를 해서 이 사람한테 물어봐야지. 그게 아니면은 별로 얻어갈 게 없고 계속 자기소개하고 그림이 그려지더라고요. 근데 하다못해 그 유치원에 간다는 것조차도 우리 애들이 지난 9월부터 가기 시작했어요. 그동안은 내가 집에서 계속 데리고 있었어요. 이런 거를 말하고 싶어도 말을 못하니까 너무 답답한 거예요. 어쨌든 이 화상영어를 가지고 내가 배운다, 이거는 좀 말이 안 된다는 생각이 들었어요. 굉장히 더디겠다 할 수는 있겠지만 그 시간에 차라리 쉐도잉을 하거나 유튜브에 유명한 영어 선생님들 강의를 듣고 내가 계속 또 반복을 하고 응용을 하거나 그런 걸 하는 게 낫지, 이 시간이 너무 아깝다는 생각이 불현듯 드네요. 50% 할인이라 가지고 하긴 했는데 너무 식은땀이 흐르고 두통이 있었는데 두통이 더 심해진 기분이에요. 긴장을 많이 해서. 아무튼 오늘 첫 화상영어의 후기는 여기까지고, 나중에 제가 말한 걸 봤을 때 다 거의 틀렸기 때문에 나중에 따로 이불을 차고 그럴 일이 생기진 않을 것 같아요. 그냥 지금 오늘 밤에 가서 이불 차도록 하겠습니다. 6개월 뒤에는 이불을 조금 덜 차보는 시간을, 스스로 약간 뿌듯해질 수 있는 그런 시간을 가질 수 있으면 좋겠다는 바람을 가지고 여기까지 하도록 하겠습니다.